I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken avocado salad, an incredibly easy and delicious dish. This recipe is perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner, offering a fantastic blend of flavors and textures. We will go through gathering your fresh ingredients, preparing them with simple steps, and then mixing everything together for a creamy, satisfying result. Get ready to enjoy a healthy and flavorful meal in just a few minutes. To begin, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 cooked chicken breasts which you can shred easily. Grab 2 ripe avocados, ready to be diced into small, creamy pieces. We'll also use 1/4 cup of finely minced red onion for a little zing, and 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped cilantro. For that perfect creamy texture, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice will brighten all the flavors. Finally, season with salt and black pepper to your liking. Now, let's put it all together with these simple steps. First, place your shredded cooked chicken breasts into a large mixing bowl. Next, carefully dice your 2 ripe avocados and add them to the bowl with the chicken. Stir in the 1/4 cup of finely minced red onion and the 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice. Gently mix all the ingredients until they are well combined, then season with salt and pepper to taste. Your delicious chicken avocado salad is now ready to be served. You can enjoy it immediately on its own for a satisfying meal, or try it with crisp lettuce cups for a refreshing crunch. It also makes a fantastic filling for sandwiches or wraps, offering a versatile and flavorful option. This salad is truly perfect for a light lunch or a quick, healthy dinner. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.